Okay, so I'm here in Word and I want to show you how you can do something like this where you've got a picture in here or any other image and you can see I've got a border around it. I've given it a bit of a 3D effect and angled it, and also got a reflection here. And I want to quickly show you how to do this. And I'm not going to show you absolutely everything because you're going to be able to explore lots of different options on the picture formats and the styles. But let's just have a go and get started on this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get rid of this one. I'm just going to press backspace or delete just to clear it. And I'm going to insert a picture in here. I'm going to insert the same picture. Let's go into insert. So I'm just going to click on pictures here. Now on a Mac, the difference is it would say from file, but here it's this device. So let's just choose that. And I'm going to choose this Happy New Year one here and just click on insert. Now I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller because when I get to do the reflection that I showed you, I want you to be able to see that all on the screen here. So what I need to do is it's selected, and when I inserted it, it automatically on the ribbon went to picture formats here. If I click off of that and then click back on, you might have to click back here on the picture format, or it might just go to it automatically, did it like it did just then. Okay, so it's over here in the picture styles that where I want to start, and you'll see it's got this big button for quick styles, and if I click on that, you'll see it's got lots of different styles. So this one's got a thick matte black, and you can see in the background it's coming up with a preview, and it's got a big border around it, and we can change all this. It's got a shadow, and you can see things like an oval. You've got an oval with soft edges. You've got this one here with the reflections and so on. So if I was to choose that, you would see what it looks like. You could then go and make changes to it using these two options here, which are the border and picture effects. But let's just go back to quick styles here, and you'll see you can do things like that. Now the border doesn't really stand out very much here because, you know, it's a dark picture and the border has chosen black by default. But if I click here, I can now go and choose a different color, and you can see it's coming up as I move over. You can see it's picking different colors here. Let's go for this one. Let's go for this gold, and you can see that edging there. You can also change the weight of it, of the line around it, of the border, and you can see as I move over, they get bigger and bigger. So let's just choose that. So that's already making quite a difference to how it looks. I can also choose whether I want dashes, so I can have dots, dashes, and things like that. It's not going to come up on this one because of the style of it. We're going to come back and take a look at that in a second. Below that, you've got the picture effects, and you've got shadows, so you can add in the shadows here, and you can see that as I move the mouse over, it's doing it. And you've got inner shadows, which would be on the inside of the picture. You wouldn't really see it on a dark image like this. And you've got perspective, but you've got reflection, and you can see the reflection here. And again, you can see in the background a preview. So the preview shows, like here, you can see it's the difference between how close the reflection is. Can you see if I move there and there, it's giving a different preview. So that one's further away, the reflection, than that one. Let's just choose that. And there you go. You've got your reflection already in there. And you've got some presets with beveled edges and so on. And you'll see that's overriding what I've got. So there we go. Now, I'm just going to insert that picture again because I wanted to show you the styles with the different types of edges around it, where you've got the dots and the dashes and so on. So let's just insert that one again. And you don't have to use the quick styles. I could have gone here. I could have chosen a color for the border, and I could have chosen, I'm choosing something with quite a heavy weight, thickness of the line around it to demonstrate it to you. And then over here, I can then go back to it and choose dashes and dots and things around the edges as well. And you get a preview and you can see which ones you like. If you want to see more options, just here you can choose more lines. And you'll see on the side here, it comes up with all sorts of effects. You can have no line, so you're effectively getting rid of it. You can have a gradient line, so it goes from lighter to darker. It's changed the color. So let's just go here. Let's add that color back again. And you can see from top to bottom, it's going darker down to lighter, and you can have different colors as well. So what you can do is change the direction. So you can click here and you could make it go maybe from left to right, darker to lighter. And as you can see, there's a whole load of different things, presets you can choose from, and you could choose whether you want it radial, so it's going from the inside out. So you can now see that around the edges, it's a bit the same as well. So lots to play around with here. You can change the transparency of it, so you can make it light, just see-through, a bit more see-through. So you've got all of those options you can try. You may have spotted as well when I chose here, there was the option for more outline colors, and you can choose from a lot more colors here. You can also go to custom, and you can choose a custom color from here. If you know the combination of red, green and blue, you could type that in or choose it from here if you like. And you could put in the hex number in here to make it work. So there you go, that's what you can do. Now, you can also go to here where you've got your picture effect, and you could choose presets from here. So you could choose something like that. Again, it's changed the border color around here. You could go and change the color over here. That format picture is still open. And you could also have, say, a reflection. So going down this list, you've got shadows, you've got reflection, you can have a glow around the edge, you can have soft edges if you like, so you could do something like that. And you could have as well a reflection, so we can add that in. So that's already in there, which we had before. So you've got your 3D rotation, so you can also choose how you want it to look. And this can look very effective, you can see, and I can still change the size of it. So there we go. That's how you can change borders. I'm sure there's many things you're going to go and try there now. So I would say go and try this out. I think you'll really enjoy it. It does make images really stand out from just inserting an image and not doing anything with it at all. If you do like this, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.